Breaking U.S. announces. Review of Somali green cards as national policy. Update reaches Minnesota federal officials have announced a nationwide review of green cards issued to immigrants from 19 countries, including Somalia. The update is part of a broader policy review that U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services says will focus on documentation accuracy and national security procedures. Sources: Reuters, CBS News. Minnesota, home to the largest Somali community in the United States, is closely watching the development. Many residents say the announcement has created questions about how the review may affect longtime permanent residents. Recent public statements from national leaders also mentioned possible changes to Temporary Protected Status, or TPS, for Somali nationals. However, legal experts emphasize that any adjustments to TPS require a formal process and cannot be made by a single office or individual. Federal officials have confirmed there is no active timeline for TPS changes at this time. Sources: AP News, Reuters. Some public discussions surrounding this policy shift have referenced past financial investigations in Minnesota. State reports reviewed those claims previously and did not find evidence connecting them to broader national security concerns. Sources: Star Tribune, Minnesota Reformer. Community organizations and local leaders in Minnesota encourage residents to stay informed and connected to reliable updates. They highlight the importance of calm communication and emphasize that green card holders continue to have legal protections under current federal rules. Local groups are also offering informational resources to help families understand their rights and stay updated on any official changes. This is East African Mindset, providing clear and community-focused updates as more information becomes available.